Hi guys and welcome to Mindful Vibing Academy. I'm Kritie. I'm a polymer clay artist and instructor. I take workshops for polymer clay for beginners as well as advanced level learners. I will be putting the information in the description section below. So in case any of you guys is interested in taking a workshop, then you can reach out to me via that. So for today's session, I was thinking of letting you guys know what is a pasta machine or a clay machine because I have been getting a lot of questions around it and I think it's almost time to address it. So I will be discussing what all things you can actually use pasta machine for and the most important tasks that can be done effortlessly and in a very time efficient manner using the pasta machine. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first use of pasta machine is that it helps you condition the clay very nicely. So whenever you want to cut down your time and efforts on conditioning your polymer clay, you can always opt for a pasta machine because it just conditions your clay in the very perfect manner possible and gives you a very smooth finish. So the very first use of pasta machine is actually getting your clay conditioned. The second use of pasta machine is mixing different colors. So just for instance, if I wish to mix this particular color, a portion of this color with a portion of this lighter version of this color. So here I have the two colors which are slightly different. This is actually a lighter version of this particular color, slightly different because I have mixed different products in here. So when I'm going to mix both of these using my hands, it is going to take a lot of effort, especially because polymer clay that has been kept inside a box or stored separately needs a little bit of conditioning before you could start working with it again. So as you can see, the cracks are there, so it will also require conditioning. So instead of going through that path, if I just use my pasta machine, it becomes way easier for me to actually mix both the colors in a very less amount of time. So I'm just putting all of the chunks together. Whenever you're mixing clay, you have to actually pass it through the pasta machine for a decent 10-15 times for the mixed color to appear. So here is the perfectly mixed color that I got. It is more efficient, time friendly, and requires less efforts than actually going about mixing both the colors with your hands or manually using a kitchen rolling pin or any other methods that you know of. So the third and the most important task of a pasta machine is letting you create beautiful clay techniques like this. So you can actually create a lot of ombre effects and versions just using the pasta machine. So that is actually the third and quite frankly the most important part, most important technique that you can use pasta machine for, because although this technique can be done with manually using a kitchen rolling pin as well, but pasta machine just makes it a lot easier and you can actually create large chunks of projects in a very small period of time. So these were the three primary functions of pasta machine. It can actually be used for 100 other functions, and you will, as soon as you get started with your polymer clay journey, you will see how beautifully it actually reduces your time and efforts when you are starting to work with your polymer clay. So if you are a person who's moving from beginner to advanced, of course definitely I would suggest to invest in a pasta machine or a clay machine because it is a wonderful investment. You won't regret it and you won't need to repeat this investment for at least 2 to 3 years. So yes, that was all about what pasta machine is, how it is used, and what are the major reasons a person actually prefers pasta machine to manual working with polymer clay. If you guys have any questions or queries regarding this particular section or pasta machine or any other related clay related query that you have, you guys feel free to comment in the section below, in the comment section below, and I would love to know about your thoughts and feedbacks. Till we meet next, keep crafting beautiful items and stay mindful. Bye bye.